Hi, this is Byron from Press Lock Technologies. I'm a cold metal joining specialist, and we're talking about clinching today. So you've got this material, you've got to make some parts. It's some thin, kind of shiny aluminum with a plastic coating on it. I mean, that's a nightmare welding job. You're not gonna have much fun doing that. So we've got a T-Rex sitting in the corner, or a Loch Ness or Moose Jaw or a benchtop Thor. We got lots of those types of machines. But you got one and you want to take on this application. So the tooling's in here already. I don't know, it's been the same tooling since we got the machine. Let's put this in. Kind of looks okay. Oh, okay, well, that just ripped the hole in the top and it came apart. Forget this machine, let's try and weld it. No, hold on, not so fast. So it ripped a hole, so that always tells you something. It tells you either the squeeze is too much, the die is too deep, or the punch is too sharp. Now I know that there's a number 20 punch in here, and that's pretty much the biggest radius that we would have normally. But I do also know that I have a 50 die, a 0.050 thousandths of an inch deep pocket. For 2 layers of 020 aluminum, that is just a bit too much. So what if we just ring that up? That's all I've done. Just change the die out. And now we've got a connection that holds, is not ripping. The plastic is still on, so I mean, we can ship this part and it's protected till it gets on the job site. Say it needs to be shiny or it has some paint on it. You rip it off when it's on the job site. You have a beautiful finished part. All you had to do was change the die. So make sure you got the right tooling. You can call us anytime, we'll help you. And we're making material videos all the time to show you how to take the application, but don't be so quick. So thanks for watching. We've got lots more tips and tricks coming to you, and look forward to hearing from you.